Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the surprisingly simple world of Prolog, a logic programming language. It's a refreshing change from the usual suspects like Python or Java, isn't it?
Absolutely. Most programmers are steeped in imperative and object-oriented paradigms. Prolog's declarative approach is a real shift in perspective. What makes it so different, and why is it considered simple?
Well, the simplicity comes from its core constructs: facts, rules, and queries. It's all about defining relationships, not procedures. You state what's true, define conditional relationships, rules, and then ask questions, queries. Prolog uses unification, a sophisticated form of pattern matching, to find answers. It's elegant in its minimalism, really.
So instead of specifying how to solve a problem, you describe what the solution should look like? Like SQL, but for general-purpose programming?
Exactly. Think of the palindrome example. In Prolog, you define what it means to reverse a list and what constitutes a palindrome. Then, you can ask various questions. Is this a palindrome? What's the reverse of this list? Or even, give me all possible palindromes. The same code handles all these queries. Amazing, right?
That's ... Quite different. I see. The article mentions a case study on an authorization system. How does Prolog handle that, compared to a typical object-oriented approach in Kotlin?
In Kotlin, you'd have classes for users, roles, and rights, with methods to check authorization. It's a lot of code, and adding time-based authorization would be a major refactor. In Prolog, you define relationships. A user has a role has a right. Adding time is a simple matter of adding a timestamp to the relationships. The core logic remains the same, but you gain incredible flexibility. It's incredibly powerful.
But isn't that flexibility a double-edged sword? Doesn't it make debugging or understanding complex Prolog code more difficult? It seems almost too abstract.
That's a valid concern. The learning curve is definitely steeper than for imperative languages. However, the article argues that Prolog's simplicity helps keep your system simple, preventing unnecessary complexity that often creeps into object-oriented designs. It forces you to think relationally, which can lead to more elegant and maintainable solutions for the right kind of problem. It's a trade-off, you know?
I see. So it's not about the language being inherently better, but about choosing the right tool for the job. Prolog's strength lies in its declarative nature and its ability to handle multiple query modes from a single relation definition. It's a powerful concept.
Precisely. The article highlights this beautifully. While Prolog might not be the go-to language for every project due to factors like community size and tooling, understanding its declarative paradigm offers a valuable new perspective for any programmer. It's a powerful tool to add to your arsenal. And remember, there are excellent resources available to learn it, from books to online courses and even a subreddit. Give it a try.
Definitely worth exploring. Thanks for this insightful discussion.
You're welcome. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion enlightening. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.